Hey, I'm DinoRC, and we're down here at Beat the Creek, and want to introduce you to Tink, and he has some awesome SC24 mods.
How you guys doing? I'm Tink from Tinker Time RC, and this here is our mag mount system. It works with all our hard bodies and a lot of the popular Lexan. So you can go Proline Power Wagon, or you can go scale for the day, run an XJ, or we could run a Comanche, or you can run a Rock Runner. The possibilities are limitless. We've got over 18 different bodies, and they all work with this system. Scale to performance in a snap.
And show them how that works.
The system's set on the body in 2.5 millimeter increments, and the same on the slider. So it's got the ultimate in adjustability. So that way you can get it to fit your rig or your wheelbase or your setup. And another bonus about our sliders is they're reversible. So if you need a little more clearance in the front, you can flip them. You need a little more clearance in the rear, you can flip them. It's made to be the best system there is for these 24s. Everything we make works together, even our cages all work together with our cabs, and they're all guaranteed to match up and fit. And they all work with the same amazing mag mount system.
That's awesome.
It's super awesome. Plus we got cool scale details like opening hoods, and I am the only one that I know of that has 24 scale opening doors and swappable doors that you can do for these.
Awesome.
Even interior kits.
That is cool.
Yeah, all designed by me.
And what do you got coming in the works for tent scale stuff?
Tent scale, we're going to start trying to expand some of our bodies to work for tent scale, and we're working on different things for that, but we've got our mag mount system that's coming soon for the tent scales. Right now it takes about 15 to 18 pounds to pull a TF2 cab off, and it's, when you put it on, you hear a little snap like this. When you snap the tent scale on, you check your fingers to make sure they're not pinched, because it's scary and it holds like mad.
I have some tent scale bodies that are put on with magnets, and the ones I've done are okay, but not quite what I want. I'm so excited to check them out.
The really cool part about the mag mounts is no shear force takes them off from any direction at all, except up. Because the way the magnets are captured on the body and the slider, there's no side force. Yeah, there's no side force that's ever taking that off.
Awesome.
Making it the best mag mounting system there.
That is, I have one, not just a homemade one, and I have trouble with that. And so he has designed this to where it will really work well with magnets. And I can't wait to put one on my SCX24 and try it out here in a couple weeks.
Hell yeah.
Well, this is DinoRC, and we're going to see him on the rocks.